If you've been paying attention for the past couple of years, you know the cloud-based software cohort has been one of the hottest groups in the market. Sure, sometimes these stocks sell off like they did during the big market-wide meltdown late last year, and sometimes after each quarter, I don't know. They usually come back with a vengeance, which is why we're so focused on them. There's just one problem. They're almost impossible for the layman, meaning you or me, to understand. When you try to read descriptions of their businesses, they're loaded with buzzwords and technical jargon, go-to-market strategies, scale, whatever. Unless you have a computer science degree, trying to process this stuff is like bashing your head against a wall. And that is really unfortunate. You should never own the stock of a company you don't understand. It's too risky. You won't have a clue what's going on, particularly when it goes down. But the gains in these cloud names have been so spectacular that I hate for you to miss out. And that's why tonight and tomorrow, because there's so many of them, I'm going to give you a primer on the best cloud-based software companies. And it's going to be in plain English. You do not need to have gone to Stanford Computer Science. And you'll, after this, know what the heck these companies do when we mention them. So tonight we're going to start with one of the ones that already just reported. Then tomorrow we'll do the rest. Okay, we're going to do all the ones that reported. Let's start with Spunk, which just reported, and the numbers look pretty darn good. For those of you who don't remember, Splunk's one of our original cloud kings. They're in the data analytics space, specifically machine data. Basically, they take the unformatted, unstructured data that's constantly thrown off by connected devices and show their customers how to learn things from it. They turn digital trash into digital treasure. No wonder the quarter's a blowout. CEO Doug Meredith is perb manager, and in a business that is pretty cutthroat, I've never heard a word that was bad about him. He's loved. All right, how about Alta Rex, which I just recommended last night? This is another rapidly growing analytics play. Basically, their technology sits in the middle of your data ecosystem. Their platform doesn't care where the data comes from or where it's going. It's like a very efficient pipeline between inputs and outputs. Like I told you yesterday, the numbers here are just stunning. But I don't want to chase at these levels. Got to wait for a pullback for Alta Rex. Next up, there's Servicenow. John Donahoe, remember him? He's great. Again, the original cloud kings. Here's a company that's in the business of creating so-called digital workflows. In plain English, ServiceNow software helps other companies automate all sorts of back-office processes, allowing them to run much leaner operations. This is another labor-saving technology. Remember, these are deflationary companies. When ServiceNow reported at the end of July, the numbers were better than expected, but apparently not good enough for Wall Street because the stock had run so much and it got slammed. Since then, it's continued to fall. But when we last spoke to the CEO, I thought he told a very compelling story. I like ServiceNow at these levels, and I'm not the only one. The stock caught an upgrade from Stifel this morning, and it exploded higher, up 4% today.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.